Question number 16 says, let W denote the weight of a fish as a function of its age t. For the North Sea cod, the following equation of change is this. Here W is measured in pounds and t in years. A says explain what dW over dt means in practical terms. So that's going to be the change in weight with regards to time. So this would be the amount of weight that we can expect a cod to gain in 1 year. Part B says make a graph. So let me type this in. And I'm going to go 0 to 200 for the x's, and let's go negative 10 to 10 for the y's. So this is dW over dt. This is W, and I went up to 200. Okay. So part C, it says what is the weight of the cod when it is growing at the greatest rate? So growing at the greatest rate, that's where the rate of change is the most. So I actually just need to calculate the max here. Okay, so this will be 42.87 and 8.58. So they want to know what is the weight, which is going to be W, so it'll be the x value. So 42.87 pounds. Part D says, to what weight does the cod grow? So we are looking for where it stops growing, because it's growing all the way up until that point. So that's actually going to be right here. So the entire graph, it's growing. The rate at which it's growing is changing, but it is growing the entire time. So where it's 0 is going to be where it stops growing. So I want to do a calc 0, because I'm looking for where dW over dt is equal to 0. So I'm finding that on my calculator. And we get 144.70, and that'll be pounds.